This is a short video on how to find images that do not have to be purchased, and can be used without the copyright holder's permission. The image on this slide is not free as indicated by the watermark. Purchasing this image would give you the right to use it. However, most teachers and students do not want to pay for images. Luckily, there is an easy way to find images that are free and legal to use. First, you will need to conduct a search. For this demonstration, I will search for images of young children. Since I only want images, I will click on images at the top of the results screen. Not surprisingly, hundreds of images are found, but not all are free or legal to use. We need to complete one more step to narrow down the results. Click on Tools at the top of the page. And another row of options appears. Click on Usage Rights. And select Creative Commons licenses from the drop-down menu. Now only images that can be legally used are displayed. When you find an image that you would like to use, do not simply right-click and save the image. Most people realize that it is wrong to simply copy text they find online, but many don't think this applies to images. There are different types of Creative Commons licenses and there may be limitations placed on the use of the image. Click on the image that you want to use, and a preview of the image appears. Then click on License Details, which is located under the image. A new window will open displaying the type of license and its terms. This image is certified in the public domain, which means there are no limitations on its use. To obtain this image, return to the search window and click on the name of the website. Often, but not always, information about the license will also be provided on the download page. Not all images are in the public domain, so let's check another image. I clicked on this image to preview it and check the license details. This image has an Attribution Share-alike 4.0 international license. As we scroll down the page, we can see that this means you can copy and redistribute the image in any medium or format, such as a video or slide presentation, and you can even change the image and sell it. However, you must give appropriate credit to the creator of the image. In this case, the name of the creator is provided under the preview image. Most often you will need to go to the website where the image is located to obtain this information. I have included a link under this video to information on how to properly give attribution. Although different examples are shown, you should follow the ideal attribution requirements. It is important for you to know that using copyright images without the copyright holder's permission, or not providing attribution when required, are considered acts of academic misconduct by the university, and are as serious as other acts of plagiarism. There are other places to find images for classroom projects besides doing a search on Google, and you will often find images that don't appear in Google's search results. Unsplash offers a huge library of images that are in the public domain. Unsplash makes it very clear that you don't have to give attribution when you use the images, but they do encourage you to do so. Downloading images from Unsplash doesn't require registration. Pexels is much like Unsplash. On Pexels you can search for pictures according to keywords, then download any of the pictures with just one click. Registration is not required in order to download images of any size. Images downloaded from Photos for Class come with attribution information embedded into the footer of the image, making it an ideal site for students. It also filters images, so that only those appropriate for the school setting are included on the site. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and you now know how to find free images that are legal to use. Thanks for watching.